friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a cute can of Pepsi, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's frame in the can. So we'll start right on the top on the left hand side, and we're going to curve this line all the way over and across to the right. From each side here now, we're going to draw just a small diagonal line coming out. We'll end that at the same height. Starting back on our line on the top, we're just going to bring this line down to the bottom. We're going to curve that slightly. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We'll just end that at the same height. Let's close that off on the bottom now with another curved line. Underneath on the left hand side, we're going to round this out, curving this over, tucking this through and back in to the side. And now let's come up and close off the top. So coming in from a diagonal from that corner, we're just going to curve this over and through on the right. Now coming up here, we're going to further over to the right. We're going to draw in a nice big oval on a diagonal. Let's step up. We're going to draw in a circle. Now moving up above that, we're going to draw in another circle, just making this one bigger. Beside this, we're going to draw in another sideways oval, connecting that, curving that over and through to the top. Coming down on this line, let's curve this around and in. We'll replicate that on the right, tucking that over and down. Let's continue to round this out on the top here. So from the edge, we're going to curve this over and through to the middle. We'll imagine that this line comes through underneath, trying our best to line that up at the same height, curving that around and back in to the side there on the top. Let's add in the symbol here now. So stepping down right in the center, we're going to draw in a circle. Now coming in towards the middle on a diagonal, we're just going to curve this line around and through. And then on the top, we're just going to arch this back around and in. Let's line this up at the same height. We're going to curve this up, down, around, and through to the edge, ending that at the same width. And then on the bottom here, just curving this around and back in on the side. Now we're going to draw in the word Pepsi. So we're going to start on the left-hand side. We're going to start with a small circle here for the middle of the letter P. Moving up above that on the side, we're going to curve this around and back in. Now on the top, let's curve this around, down, tucking that over and back up on the bottom. Now let's draw in the letter E. So moving over, we're going to draw in a straight line. We're going to curve this around, arching this over and through to the side, just ending that at the same width. Now from that top part, we're just going to curve this down, up, rounding that edge out, connecting that together on that bottom line. Stepping up, drawing in another straight line. And then again from here, just drawing in an arch line. Let's draw in the next letter P. So stepping across, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this around, down, tucking this over and back up. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving that around, tucking that back in. We'll draw in a circle in the middle. Now let's draw in the letter S. So we're basically just going to draw in the letter S on the top here. Then we're going to round out the top. Just following that shape, tucking that back in. Let's come up on a diagonal. We're going to draw in a small circle for the top of that letter I. Coming down, just going to curve this around, flattening that out, pulling that back up. Let's draw in the smile. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in an arch line. Moving over to each side now for the I, we're going to draw in a circle on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the top, on a diagonal, let's draw in another circle for the highlight. And then let's go ahead and color in the eye black. Let's add in the cheeks here now. So beside that, again, just drawing in another circle. We're gonna make this one bigger. And that is it. That's how you draw a cute can of Pepsi. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.